So my name is Matthew Nelson, and I'm a devCodeCamp student. I'm on week 10. I'm a military veteran. I served in the United States Marine Corps from 2008 to 2012. My situation's a bit unique. I used my GI Bill to pursue a 4-year degree in philosophy. I obtained that degree and I still didn't know what I wanted to do. I hit the usual suspects, codeacademy.com. I hit a wall, and so I needed something different. I looked into devCodeCamp. They accepted the GI Bill, and it was a perfect fit. So when I came to devCodeCamp, I was offered the free housing that they offer here, and it allowed me to get fully immersed within the program, meaning I had zero distractions. I didn't have to drive to get to school. I was right here, and that really helped me maintain focus throughout the program. I'm here, and that's where I intend to stay for the 3 months. I'm able to walk to get lunch, to get groceries. There's quite a bit of nightlife and things happening during the weekend. Housing really afforded me the opportunity to explore the city in a way that I wouldn't have if I just had a car to get from point A to point B. And it's located right in downtown Milwaukee, what you would otherwise be paying quite a bit of money for if you were just renting. My experience level coming into here was little to none. I was in a past life, I was working in the trades. I was swinging a hammer. But as I progressed through the program, I was going toe-to-toe with them in building CSS, JavaScript, and all the different technologies that we were using. I was actually quite intimidated with coding. I thought it was something that you needed to have prior experience with, and I come to find out that's not the case at all. It takes just hard work, applying your mind and applying the principles, and I really took off with it. Now, coming into week 10, I'm building web applications and integrating them into certain platforms that we're using. You know, I've come a long way. I've come a real long way. Software development, there's no right or wrong way about it. There's best practices, but there's a lot of room for interpretation and a lot of room for creativity. And I thought that was one of the things that really drew me into the industry. The community here is diverse, to say the least. The instructors all have different personalities, and they're all very approachable. And the students that I'm working with all have different personalities, and they're all approachable in their own ways. I take advantage of all the resources devCodeCamp has for me. That includes the instructors, the students, the PowerPoint presentations, everything that they give me, I accept. I try to absorb as much as I can, and I take notes. And those are the types of things I do to be successful in this program. So I prepare myself for the second iteration of devCodeCamp, and that's finding a job by making sure that all my ducks are in a row, making sure that all the projects I've done are cleaned up and ready to showcase, and that my own personal projects, the capstones, are something that employers would want to see, something that I know inside and out because it's my project and my baby. And I need to prepare myself for any questions that might be thrown at me, whether that's architectural structure of my programs, or of my projects, and just knowing the skills that I have and being comfortable with those. I have the skills necessary to make that happen. Now it's just a matter of doing it.